Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
Krishna Krishna, Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare
जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीमति
Namo
गौर
Vishnu Padaya Krishna
जय
Prasthaya
श्री कृष्णा
Bhutale
चैतन्य
Nityananda
प्रभु
Swami
नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीमति गौर
Devi Gauravani Pracharya Vishesha Shunyavadi Paswati Destarya Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gauri Bhaktivinoda Hare Krishna
गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये राधे गोलोकानंद भगवान की
जय।
जय।
Jai.
हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन।
हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna.
Krishna
Everyone.
हरे
हरे
कृष्णा
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 everyone।
प्रभु and welcome to Damodar month.
Yes.
So Hare Krishna Ravi, hello,
हरे कृष्णा।
oh, Reena ji, Hare Krishna
कृष्णा
Nisha.
भैया।
Nice. To continue our Srimad Bhagavatam, and we are on, of course, we are reading Cantos 1, Chapter 9 and Shlok 32. जहाँ से श्री भीष्म वाच शुरू हो रहा है। So just to recap from last week, this chapter is about Bhishma Pitama releasing his physical body. और हमने देखा कि अभी तक बाणों की सैया पर लेटे हुए हैं भीष्म पितामह, और स्टार्टिंग में उन्होंने महाराज युधिष्ठिर और पांडुपुत्र और सारे ऋषिगण वहां पर इकट्ठा हैं, इंक्लूडिंग नारद ऋषि, देव ऋषि नारद, वो सब बड़े बड़े ऋषि वेदव्यास जी सब वहां पर इकट्ठा हैं, और भीष्म पितामह ने धर्म के बारे में बताया और लॉर्ड कृष्ण भगवान के बारे में बताया। और अब जब सूर्य उत्तरायण में आ गया है तो भीष्म पितामह, जिनको इच्छा मृत्यु का वरदान है, वो चाहते हैं कि अपना ध्यान पूरा सुप्रीम लॉर्ड परमेश्वर श्री कृष्ण की तरफ कर लें, और फिर अपनी स्तुति लॉर्ड कृष्ण से कर रहे हैं। तो शिक्षा प्रभु जी पढ़ेंगे।
Shri Bhishma Uvacha Iti Matir Uppkalpita Viteshna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumi Sasukham Upagate Kvachidhartum Prakriti Mupayeshu Yadbhava Pravaha. Bhishma Deva said, "Let me now invest my thinking, feeling, and willing, which are so long engaged in different types of subjects and occupational duties, in the all-powerful Lord Sri Krishna. He is always self-satisfied, but sometimes, being the leader of the devotees, he enjoys transcendental pleasure by descending to the material world, although from him only the material world is created."
Hare Krishna ji. So Bhishma Pitama is saying that now let me get out of all the subjects and occupational duties I was engaged in, and now that he has to release his physical body, let me now invest everything, thinking, feeling, willing, in the all-powerful Lord Sri Krishna. त्रिभुवन कमनं तमाल वर्णं रविकर गौरवराम्बरं ददाने वपुर्लक कुलावृतान नाब्जं विजय सखे रतिरस्तु मे अन्वधा. Sri Krishna is the intimate friend of Arjuna. He has appeared on this earth in his transcendental body, which resembles the bluish color of the Tamala tree. His body attracts everyone in the 3 planetary systems, upper, middle, and lower. May his glittering yellow dress and his lotus face, covered with paintings of sandalwood pulp, be the subject of my attraction, and may I not desire any fruitive results. So that's what Bhishma Pitama is saying is Vijay Sakhe Rati Rastu, okay, and May Anvadhya. So May Anvadhya is I do not desire any fruitive results at this point, and Lord Krishna be the subject of my attraction. Because it is mentioned when you release the body and if Lord Krishna is in your mind, and that happens with our Shmaran, Kirtanam, chanting, right? Only then with full devotional service, it's possible that at the time of death, when people are releasing their physical body, and that's what, but Lord Bhishma Pitama is teaching us, like, this is how you can focus on Lord Krishna. We'll continue with the prayers. Reenaji?
युधि तुर गर जोवे धूम्र विश्वक कचलुललित श्रमवार्यलंकृतास्ये मम निशित शरैर विभिद्यमान त्वचि विलसत् कवचे अस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा. On the battlefield, where Sri Krishna attended Arjun out of friendship, the flowing hair of Lord Krishna turned ashen due to the dust raised by the hoofs of the horses, and because of his labor, beads of sweat wetted his face. All these decorations, intensified by the wounds dealt by my sharp arrows, were enjoyed by him. Let me mind thus go unto Sri Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Right. Right. So Bhishma Pitama is remembering everything. So that's all about Lord Krishna. Right? Anilji?
Yeah. सपदि सखी वचो निशम्य मध्ये निज पर्योर्बल्यो रथम निवेश्य स्थितिवती पर सैनिकायुरक्षण हृतवती पार्थ सखे रतिर्ममास्तु. In obedience to the command of his friend, Lord Shri Krishna entered the area of the battlefield of Kurukshetra between the soldiers of Arjuna and Duryodhana, and while there he shortened the lifespans of the opposite party by his merciful glance. This was done simply by his looking at the enemy. Let my mind be fixed on that Krishna. Hare Krishna. Fixed upon that Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Ratim astu. Let my mind be fixed upon that Krishna. And meanwhile, Bhishma Pitama is remembering how Lord Krishna came in between the two armies, right? He recited Bhagavad Gita, as we know, but then he also did mercy on everyone who was present there on both the sides. Tarun?
व्याव्यहाता प्रत्तान मुखम निर्त्रस्य कसा स्वजन वधत विमुक्षया दोष बुद्ध्या कुमतिम अरद आत्मा विद्याय यस कर्णा रति पारमस्य तस्य मे स्तु. When Arjuna, seemingly polluted by ignorance upon observing the soldiers and commanders before him on the battlefield, the Lord eradicated his ignorance by delivering transcendental knowledge. May his lotus feet always remain the object of my attraction. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. May his lotus feet always remain the object of my attraction. Charan rati hai paramashya tasya me astu. So Bhishma Pitama is, is focusing on Lord Krishna's charan. Ravi?
स्वनिगमपहाय मत्प्रतिज्ञा मृतं धिकर्तुमवतुल्योतो रथस्थः रथचरणोऽभ्यायुच्यलुब्ध हरिरिव हन्तु भीमं गतो तरीयः. Fulfilling my vow and sacrificing his own promise, he got down from the chariot, looked up at its wheel, and ran towards me hurriedly, just as a lion goes to kill an elephant. He even dropped his outer garment on the way. Hare
Yeah.
Krishna.
कृष्णा. तो यहाँ भीष्म पितामह याद कर रहे हैं कि टू फुलफिलिंग माई वो, लाइक भीष्म पितामह की प्रतिज्ञा को फुलफिल करने के लिए लॉर्ड कृष्णा इवन sacrificed his own promise. And what was Lord Krishna's promise in the Mahabharata? शस्त्र नहीं उठाएंगे, right? He will not. But and there's a whole story. But भीष्म पितामह ने प्रतिज्ञा करी कि कल ऐसा युद्ध होगा कि भगवान कृष्ण को शस्त्र उठाना ही होगा. And so जब अर्जुन के प्राण संकट में थे तो भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने he broke his own promise. But then all this is done so that Bhishma Pitama is as one of the topmost devotees, right? His woe is satisfied. Lord Krishna is breaking his own promise. So he took up the wheel and then he ran. So right, Rath Charno. Rath Charno is took the wheel in the hand and he ran behind Bhishma Pitama. So Bhishma Pitama is remembering all that. Nisha?
विशेषकः तो विशीर्णदंशः शतजरपरिलुप्त आततयिनो मे प्रसभं भीससार मध्वार्थ सभवतु मे भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्दः. May he, Lord Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead, who awards salvation, be my ultimate destination. On the battlefield, he charged me as if angry because of the wounds dealt by my sharp arrows. His shield was scattered and his body was smeared with blood due to the wounds. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, who awards salvation, personality of Godhead, who awards salvation, be my ultimate destination. So Bhagwan Gatir Mukunda hai. Mukunda hai is awards salvation. Ajay?
Sure. Vijay Rath Kutumbam Atra Totre Dhitaya Rashmishmini Tachi Yech Chaniye Bhagavati Ratirastu Me Mumarsho Yarmehi Niriksha Hata Gata Swarupam. At the moment of death, let my ultimate attraction be to Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead. I concentrate my mind upon the chariot driver of Arjun, who stood up with a whip in his right hand and a bridle rope in his left, who was very careful to give protection to Arjuna's chariot by all means. Those who saw him on the battlefield of Kurukshetra attained their original forms after death. Hare Krishna.
भीष्म पितामह सब लॉर्ड कृष्णा के बारे में याद कर रहे हैं and ultimately saying that at the moment of death, let my ultimate attraction be Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead. Bhagavati Rati Rastu Me Mumursho. Right? Bhagavati Rati Rastu, Lord Krishna be my ultimate destination at the time of death. Mukesh?
ललित गति विलास
स्वल गुहास प्रणय निरीक्षण कल्पितो रोमानः कृतम कृतवै उन्मदान्धा प्रकृति मगन के लियस्य गोपवधवा. Let my mind be fixed upon Lord Shri Krishna, whose motions and smiles of love attracted the damsels of Rajdham, the gopis. The damsels imitated the characteristic movements of the Lord after his disappearance from the Rasa dance. Hare Krishna.
Right. So Bhishma Pitama is remembering gopis and the ras of Lord Krishna, and it's a special mercy of all the gopis and Radharani. Rasiksham Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji. Munigana nirpavaya sankulantehe sadasi yudhishthir rajasuya yesham arhani muped ikshaniyo mam drishti gochar esha aviratma. At the Rajasuya Yagna sacrifice performed by Maharaj Yudhishthir, there was the greatest assembly of the elite men of the world, the royal and learned leaders, and in the great assembly, Lord Sri Krishna was worshipped by one and all the most exalted personality of Godhead. This happened during my presence, and I remembered the incident in order to keep my mind upon the Lord.
So Bhishma Pitama उस इंसिडेंट्स को याद कर रहे हैं जब राजसूय यज्ञ महाराज युधिष्ठिर ने परफॉर्म किया, सारे ऋषि मुनि सब आए हुए थे, उस समय स्पेशल प्रेयर्स लॉर्ड कृष्णा की करी गई थी. That's what Bhishma Pitama is remembering. तमिमम हम जम शरीर भाजाम स्थितमात्मकल्पितानां प्रतिदृश्यमेव नेकधारकमेकं समधिगतो अस्मि विधूत भेद मोहे. Now I can meditate with full concentration upon that one Lord Sri Krishna, now present before me, because now I have transcended the misconceptions of duality in regard to his presence in everyone's heart, even in the hearts of mental speculators. He is in everyone's heart. The sun may be perceived differently, but the sun is one. So at this point, Lord Bhishma Pitama meditates with full concentration upon Lord Sri Krishna. Mukesh?
Tutavacha Krishna evam bhagvati मनोवाग् दृष्टि पृथ्वी आत्ममान्यता मानम आवेश्य सो अंतः श्वास uparmata. Suta Goswami said, thus Vishwadeva merged himself in the super soul Lord Krishna, the supreme personality of Godhead, with his mind, speech, sight, and actions, and thus he became silent and his breathing stopped.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mukesh. So I think we can hear Bhishma Stuti one more time, right? The one we heard on Thursday. Do you want to do that?
Sure.
We have 8 minutes. I think we can use that. Let's hear it one more time. Now that Bhishma Stuti is done, I think it will be nice, right? So you can see it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Shri Bhishma Uvacha Iti Mati Rupa Kalpita Vitrishna Bhagavati Sattvat Punghave Vibhumni Swasukham Bhagate Vachit Vihartum Prakruti Mupeyushiyadbhava Pravaha.
शरैर्विभिद्यमान त्वचि विलसत्कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा सखिवचो निशम्य मध्ये निज परयोर्बलयोरथं निवेश्य स्थितवती परसैनिकायुरज्ञा धृतवती पार्थ सखेर्ममास्तु व्यवहित प्रीतनामुखं निरीक्ष्य स्वजनवधाद् विमुखस्य दोषबुद्ध्या कुमतिमहरदात्मविद्यया यः चरणरति परमस्य तस्य मेस्तु मृतमधिकर्तुमवप्लुतो रथस्थः धृतरथचरणो व्ययाञ्चलद्गो हरिर्वहन्तुमिदं गतोत्तरीयः शतजपरे प्लुतकाततायिनो मे प्रसभमभिससारमद्वदार्थं स भवतु मे भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्दः रतिरस्तु मे मुमूर्षोर्यमिह निरीक्षता गता स्वरूपम् ललितगतिविलासवल्गुहास प्रणय निरीक्षण कल्पितो रुमाना कृतमनुकृतवत्य उन्मदान्धा प्रकृतिमगन् किल यस्य गोपवद्वः सदसि युधिष्ठिरराजसु अर्हणमुपपेद ईक्षणीयो मम दृशिगोचरकेश आविरात्मा तमिममहमजं शरीरभाजां हृदि हृदि धृष्टितमात्मकल्पितानां प्रतिदृशमिव नैकधार्गमेकं समधिगतोऽस्मि विधूतभेदमोह समधिगतोऽस्मि विधूतभेदमोह समधिगतोऽस्मि विधूतभेदमोह
Hare Krishna, welcome to Kartik month. And from tomorrow we'll hear Damodar Ashtakam, since it's Kartik month, and I think we'll also come